Hey guys, so welcome to my day 2 here in Hanoi. For today's activity, actually nagising ako ng medyo maaga-aga. It's just 4 o'clock here in Hanoi, and my activity for today is still at 8 o'clock, and I'm gonna be doing a whole day tour in Halong Bay. Let me discuss that. So Halong Bay is parang yun yung sinuggest talaga sa akin ng airmats ko na it's a place na you can really relax. But let me talk about my day number 1 kasi I think there are things that I have to kind of learn. Kahapon, when I went here, sa airport pa lang, ugali ko kasi, pagdating sa airport, kahit sa anong bansa, doon ako nagpapapalit. It's the first time na pagkapalit ko ng pera, pagkasakay ko ng Grab, pag-alis ng Grab, doon ko chinek sa Grab na medyo malayo-layo na ako sa airport kung magkano talaga ang conversion rate. So, nagpapalit ako kahapon doon ng 60,000 pesos. Nung ginugol ko, 60,000 pesos is roughly over 26 million dong. And I only received sa airport roughly 22,800,000 dong. Layo ng difference sa actual exchange rate. Doon sa airport, which is like 3 million dong? I don't know if it's, alam ko sa airport talaga medyo mababa ang palitan, pero kasi ako doon ako nagpapapalit kasi mas secured ako, tsaka feeling ko kailangan ko agad ng cash ng dong. So that's number 1. Number 2, yung kinain ko kagabi kasi medyo hirap talaga yung tao dito makipag-communicate. I thought it was unlimited yung kinakain ko kagabi. Hindi pala. So paid siya per plate. I think it's on me already. Pero kasi tinanong ko yung tao, unlimited ba to? Parang umuoo sila umuoo. Pag ano pala, per plate pa lang bayad. So that's number 2. Tapos nagpamassage ako gabi. Isa to sa careful kasi pag tinignan niyo yung price palagi ng pamasahe, which is all legit guys, huwag kayong mag-alala. Typical price nila for 1 hour full body massage is 200 dong. 200,000 dong. And then nung nagpapamasahe na ako, sinabi naman sa akin up front that the price is now at 400. Sabi ko, biglang doble. Ang laki ng difference. But anyway, nag-proceed naman ako, sinabi naman sa akin yun. Ayun lang, medyo few things that I noticed on my first day na sabi ko sana hindi na maulit. Madami din dito na lalapit sa'yo. Mag-alok, na bumili ng ganito, bumili ng ganyan. Maraming lokal talaga na mag-approach sa'yo to ask for something. Kagabi, naglalakad lang ako. Merong nakamotor na pilit ako nilalapitan. And was asking something. Hindi ko alam kung ano kasi hindi ko na ini-ignore. Talagang, pag may lumalapit sa akin kagabi, no ko kaagad. Anyway, ayun lang, just be mindful. Not all of them do, try to take advantage of But ayun, that's okay. So as long as safe naman ako, at ayun, na-enjoy ko yung pagiging mag-isa. Actually, na-enjoy ko so far. Day 2, samahan niyo ako ngayon sa Halong Bay. Ito, yung Halong Bay tour ko is only for 2,200 via Klook. Susunduin ako dito ng guide, hotel ko mismo, and then Halong Bay is about 2.5 hour drive from here. Nung binuko siya sa Klook, 2,200, pero dahil may frequent user ako ng Klook, nakakuha ako ng 500 discount, so I only paid 1,600, mga ganun. 1,600 pesos for the whole day tour. Inclusive of everything, yung kayak, yung tour, at I think pati pagkain. So it's a cheap tour. So ayun, samahan niyo ako today guys. Let's explore Hanoi more. Maraming side trip doon, and I think yung maganda daw talaga yung pupuntahan. So let's go. Okay, day 2 has already officially started. One of the cons though, ng pagstay dito sa ganitong area, medyo maingay up until this point. May mga bar kang maririnig na actually hanggang ngayon papatugtog. Yeah. But good thing andito tayo sa sentro ng ganap. Let's go, food trip muna tayo. So I saw this already. Yeah, tignan natin, hindi ko mabasa. Kakatuwa dito. Umaga pa lang, marami na actually nag-ooperate. Marami na open. So, I got my po. Pwede mo haluan ng chili sauce, toyo. Oh, wow. Natin sa baw. Sarap. Sarap. And then, may noodles na siyang kasama. Ayan o. Rice noodle. Sarap. Yung stir fry noodles. Wow, para siyang pancit canton. Oh my god. Ayun lang, solid na masarap. Oh. Mainit-init pa. Grabe. Solid. Sarap. Busog na naman ako. I'm here now in the hotel. Just waiting for the van to pick me up. Dito ako susunduin ng tour. Social, no? Let's start the day. Ooh, good morning. Oh my god, Andy. Andy, say hi. Okay, he's my tour guide for today. So that's the van. Oh wow. Okay, there we go. Halfway down the tour, stop over kami, CRE. Let's grab some food. Okay, coffee is 35,000 and this one too. Okay. Yeah. So that's what, 60,000? 60,000, right? So, I'm about to come back dun sa van namin kasi 10 minutes lang. Ang galing kasi yung tour guide namin talagang is giving a lot of info about Vietnam. So, a few things I learned. They have 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. And they don't have F and Z sa kanilang alphabet. Yeah, so dahil maaga daw kami, daan muna kami dito saglit sa museum. Yung mga pearls. We're actually almost there in Halong Bay.
We commit worship by the core already. After 2 to 3 years, we get a pearl like this one. 2 to 3 years like this one. We get around pearl. Yeah. And even when you cut the half of the pearl, the core still inside the pearl. Yeah. In the middle, yeah.
Feeling ko, bibentahan tayo nito ng pearl mamaya. Feeling ko lang. Yun na nga, dito na nga tayo dinala. Ang galing nila.
Akoya, Sansi, or Tahiti. The size, the color, white, the shape, round, the quality, and the material of the setting.
So ayun na. Pipili na tayo. Titignan natin kung may mura. Milyon eh. Milyon. This is 45 million. Wow. Nalala ko yung black pearl. Okay. So their quality is based on the numbers of A's.
Yes. This one is 2A1.
2A.
Mean near 3A.
Okay.
Yes. Because you can see this one is more shining than this one.
Oh, okay.
And this one is have a natural blemish here. Yeah.
Okay, got
See
it.
a blemish? Yeah. But it's natural.
Okay.
More shiny.
Okay.
You buy for your girlfriend or?
Yeah, I'll get 2.
Get 2.
I have 2 wives. No, my daughter and my wife. Okay. See? I know where it's going. I just bought them 2 pearls. One for Rian and one for Karen. So yeah, ayan, it's being purchased and waiting for the certificate of authenticity. Yeah. So let's go. So we are here now in Halong Bay. Ayan. Mainit. Ang swerte daw namin ngayon kasi hindi umuulan. Kasi madalas daw lately umuulan. Kaso sumobra naman yata sa init. But okay na to. So, ayan. Let's start na. Look at that. Nice. Actually, advisable dito, magstay ka ng 2 days, 1 night para ma-explore mo na maigi. Kaso wala eh. Bitin tayo. 1 day lang ako dito. Nice. Okay, so dyan sa mga ganyan pa tayo sakay. Wow. Okay, so dyan din kakain. Nice. For 2,200, actually 1,600, 12 na, no? Pala umakyat dito sa second floor ng ano. So this is wow, this is fantastic. Look. Wow. Wow. So ayan. There's about 2,000 island daw dito sa area na to. May malalaki, may maliliit. Yung malalaki daw, yung iba tinitira na rin. Explain ko lang, grabe no. So for 1,600 inclusive na yung transport. Hindi, 2,200 talaga yun. Nakakuha lang ang discount sa Klook. Inclusive na yung transpo, itong trip na to, tapos yung food. Dami namin kinain actually. Naging kakaya pa kami kanina ng mga katabi ko. 2 Pinoy at 2 South Korean. And there's still more to do today. Magkakayak pa kami. Kasama rin yun. So imagine the savings for the whole day, 2,200. Grabe, napakamura. Wow. Ayan. So, ito yung island na sinasabi nilang parang 2 manok na nagsasabong. Ano? Yeah. Right there. Okay, we're getting close. Nagbanggaan na sila, oh.
apat na boat. Banggaan na. Yan, mag-ano na kami. Kakayak. Wow. Nice. Mainit. Okay, so it's either ito or kayak. Init lang. So dito. Hindi ko alam kung magsusolo ko o may kasama kailangan eh. I'm excited. So, yeah. Thank you, sir. So someone's helping me today.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, just need to take a few shots and I'll continue paddling. So, we're entering a cave. Wow. I couldn't take that much video because I need to paddle. I have to help out. Wow. Nice. Yeah. So this is what's inside. Para siyang may hidden lagoon din sa loob. Wow. Okay. Alright. Okay. So last stop. We're going to Dongchen Kung Cave. 200 steps daw to. Medyo mataas. Pakita ko sa inyo. Steps daw. Putang ina, taas nga. Parang nakailang steps pa lang tayo. Pagod na ako agad. So ayan. Wow. Ayan name ng cave. Hiningal ako. So ito na siya. So ayan. Tambay muna kami dito sandali.
Let's go!
Yes. Okay. 200 more pa daw. But it's up and down, right?
Yes.
Not just... okay.
Ups and down.
Okay.
Around 200 steps.
Go, Andy. Careful. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. 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 Oh wow. Look at this. And it's cold inside. Wow. Wow. Ang ganda. Look, parang naligo ngayon, oh. Basang-basa. Basang-basa ako ng pawis.
Come down, please.
There's another one. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Ganda. So, I'm about to go down. Mas madali na to, pababa pero steep pa rin. That's about the end of the tour. We're about to go back to dun sa Halong Bay area mismo. Nakakatuwa. Ganda. Ganda ang experience. Pakita ko sa inyo pababa. Ooh. Ayan. So, I'm about to end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Siguro next installment neto about sa shopping ko na lang dito sa Vietnam. I enjoyed the solo trip. I discovered a lot of things. I met a lot of people. There's going to be more things to discover. I guess you have to try to travel once in your life na mag-isa. There's a lot of self-discovery. It's good for your mental health. And I'm just really amazed that I actually did it alone. So, yeah. Thank you guys. Again, I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. And we're going back to Halong Bay. As you can see, hulas na hulas ako. But thank you and have a great day. Bye.